All right, let's get it, man. Oh yeah. What up, people? It's something basic, and I'm over here with a package from Reshoevn8r.com. Definitely check them out. I have the links down below for like their website and their YouTube channel. I ordered something. I'm gonna show you what I got right here. Pretty heavy. Something fierce. Just got home from work. Let's get in this joint. Alright, got some air bubbles. Got the water and stain repellent joint. I don't know if y'all can see that. The stuff you spray on your shoes. Boom. Got the laundry pods, 18 of them piglets. Awesome, awesome. I think I paid about $118 for this kit. Cleaning mat, got the cleaning mat. Something fresh. Ooh, something fresh. Ooh, nice, 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 nice. They didn't have this kit for a very long time. So once it came up online, I ordered it immediately. I don't have a promo code. If anybody sees this, June, don't have a promo code because you need like 100,000 followers and subscribers to get a promo code. So there's probably a promo code out there somewhere. I got 12 sneaker wipes. All right, guess I'm gonna open this pig now. Boom, little packages, little wipes. Beautiful, beautiful. Wipe her down. Then we got the collapsible bowl. Little collapsible bowl. All right. You know, it collapses. You know what I mean? Boom. Boom. Beautiful, beautiful. And we got the signature joint, the signature shoe cleaning kit. Beautiful. And there goes my information. Anything on there? Let's see. Just basically just my information and all that. Basically what I got in there. Pretty basic, pretty basic. So, like I said, definitely check out their YouTube channel. I've seen a lot of expensive shoes on their website or the video YouTube channel. Alright, got two shoe trees. Got another little mat. Got the, what's this called? Reshoevn8r shoe bag, the laundry bag. Beautiful, beautiful. Got the cleaning solution. All natural cocoa. Ooh. Okay. Cocoa oil and stuff. All right. Oils. Beautiful, beautiful. Well, whatever it is, 4 ounces, something basic. Then we got the soft bristle brush, a little softy. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, well, I'm gonna be using this medium brush. All right, got medium brush. Got the little white Jones on it, and the stiffer, good old Steffi. That's basically it, man. About to start cleaning some shoes, basically. What the hell? Why's it got 3M tape here? I don't know what that's about. But that's basically it, man. Signature kit. Awesome. They didn't have this, John, for a hot minute, for like a couple months. I seen it pop up. I bought it immediately. I don't have a discount code. If anybody somehow watches this video, I don't have a discount code for it. I'm sorry. I'm pretty basic over here. But they were out of this kit. It's like a $90 kit. They were out for a couple months. I seen it pop up. I got it immediately. And then I got a can of the spray, the water and stain repellent spray, and yeah, came out to like $118. It's free shipping, and I'm sure there's promo codes out there that you can find, save you a little couple dollars. And yeah, if you're new to this channel, it's pretty basic over here. I just uploaded random stuff. If you look at some of my videos, it's all random. That's basically it. That's what's in my $118 from, you know, Reshoevn8r. Definitely highly recommend their YouTube channel and their website. Check it out. Put the links down below. And if you guys want to see what I'm later down the road, I don't want to make this video too long, but basically I'm going to show you why I bought it. So basically, I got some Nikes. They're white boys, airs. Got a little scuff right there, some stains right there. They're not expensive shoes. If you go over to their YouTube channel, Reshoevn8r YouTube channel, you'll see that they clean like $200-300 pair of shoes. My shoes ain't that expensive, but I'm just gonna clean these little Jones with some stains and stuff. People spilling drinks on me and stuff like that when I was in bars. Yada yada yada. You know, little scuffs. See if it works. You know what I mean? People highly recommend it. Somebody that I know that I work with highly recommended it, so I just said, whatever, let me try this joint. You know what I mean? Then I got these Downshifter 7s. They're nothing special. Downshifter 7s. Nothing really special. They're real crunchy looking. Use them at work. They're real comfortable. Thinking about even getting the Downshifter 9s. I think they're out now. Maybe I think probably right now there's probably Downshifter 10s. Nothing special. They're just real comfortable. They're terrible, but you know they're comfy. You know what I mean? And I got these. What are these, Jones? The Flex Experience Somthin RN4s. I use these for cutting grass. That'll be the real test. There's even like a rust stain on these joints. But yeah, I'm gonna try and see if these joints get clean. I doubt they're gonna get clean, but I mean, we'll see what this kit's about. You know what I'm saying? See if they work. Put it to the test. So you know what I mean? See if I can get some of those grass stains off of this joint. But these joints are terrible. They're decked basically. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna see if this kit can clean them. You know what I mean? I'm probably gonna clean them and then throw them out. Probably, basically. But yeah, like I said. Definitely check out the links down below if you want to. Check out their, you know, if you don't know nothing about this company, somehow you came across this random video, check them out, man. I highly recommend it. Well, I guess I can't really highly recommend it because I didn't use it yet, but I don't know if you somehow came to this video and you don't know me. I guess in a couple days you'll see some videos of me cleaning them dick shoes back there behind me. And then I guess you'll see if I recommend it, you know what I'm saying? I seen this works pretty good though, so I don't know. I guess I can recommend it, but without using it, I guess, I don't know. That doesn't make any sense, but that's basically it. I'm pretty hyped. Gonna clean some shoes. I only own like probably 5-6 pairs of shoes and a pair of boots and some dress shoes. My old lady, my baby mama, she owns about 87 pairs of shoes. So if this stuff works, more likely she can use it for her 87 pairs of shoes that she has. Yes, 87 pairs of shoes I counted. That's pretty nuts, right? Yeah, it's pretty crazy. So yeah, that's basically it, man. Stay tuned, if you know what I mean. Stay tuned and watch me wash some of these terrible shoes. Or definitely check out Reshoevn8r YouTube channel, man. They clean up like, you know, expensive Jordans. You know what I mean? Old Jordans and stuff like that. My air conditioner just turned on because it's hot over here. I'm going to end it off on that one, you know what I mean? Holla at your boy, scream at your daddy. Wash your cheeks, alright? Keep it tight, alright? Holla!